Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you 7 best woodcutters in the world. As you enter into the world of woodworking, you will soon find that there are master craftsmen and women whose work will knock you off your feet. With a variety of styles and backgrounds, investing time into reviewing the best woodworkers work can be incredibly impact. So the 7 best woodcutters that are in the world start include Sam Maloof, Wharton Esherick, George Nakashima and Wendell Castle, who all who all design a variety of pieces ranging from functional and fine furniture, decorative furnishing, architectural structures, smaller pieces with remarkable detail, cabinetry, rocking chairs, and more. With a variety of influential styles, they are worth looking into. This list is incomplete but a good start. So whether you are new to woodworking or an accomplished woodworking veteran, there is still so much to gain by spending time admiring the work of 7 of the best workers to have ever aimed the planet. By taking a closer look at their background, may you be inspired to embrace your own creativity and passion with further ado. Let's look at who are the best 7 best woodworkers in the world. Sam Maloof. Sam Maloof is one of the most impressive woodworkers globally, not only because of his attention to detail and passion for the craft, but also because he appreciates all walks of life and makes absolutely astounding woodworking pieces for any to be able to appreciate. Truly, regardless of the type of furniture or other woodworking pieces that Sam Maloof works on, it is sure to stand out among the rest. Regarding his location and background, Sam Maloof is the son of Middle Eastern immigrants, which was just one reason he has expressed cherishing, cherishing the opportunity to create furniture for all walks of life, regardless of background or social economic status. This has led him to great success in being renowned throughout the world for his masterful work. Still, he is a self-taught furniture designer and woodworker and has been California-based most of his life. He, like many other famous woodworkers, prides himself on his self-education in the realm of woodworking, as many of the reputation of famous woodworkers would have or would serve to prove that the high level of skills and creativity fostered by self-education can be comparable to what other finds in a formal education getting setting. Sam Maloof has many awards for his woodworking, including being the first craftsman to receive the MacArthur Fellowship. The fellowship is provided him the means truly thrive in his field. His reputation follows him as his work can be found at the Smithsonian American Art Museum, among many other Offspring's locations. He has set up a live museum that rests in a gorgeous lemon tree grove in California. This scenic location has been named a national historic landmark that travelers far near and far can visit. It is called the Sam and Alfreda Maloof Foundation for Arts and Crafts, and its present live events that vary based on the season. You can check out their website here. Here you can find many of the works of Sam Maloof, including perhaps his most well-known piece of furniture, rocking chairs. His rocking chairs are quite possibly the furniture piece that has made him most famous in his woodworking sphere. They have been injured by former President of the United States, including Carter and Reagan. Even Ray Charles has enjoyed his time spent relaxing in one of Maloof's former rockers. So if you are looking to be inspired by a woodworkers who comes from humble beginnings yet whose furniture and other types of work will blow you away, look no further than Sam Maloof. The second man is Wharton Esherick. Wharton Esherick is yet another one of the world's most impressive woodworkers. Yet his work stands out for a variety of other reasons compared to most artisans, particularly Wharton Esherick. He is reportedly saw himself as more of an artist than a craftsman, which gravely influenced his woodworking projects intrinsically cap- captivating and mainly wood sculptures. Regarding his educational background and location, Walter Esherick spent most of his days sculpting wooden sculptures in the middle of the serene natural beauty of middle Pennsylvania. Still, his education came from a variety of locations, particularly since he always knew that he wanted to work in the arts. Ashrik shadowed a painter and immersionist at the Pennsylvania Academy of the Fine Arts. Yet, while he was able to respect and admire the creativity that comes with painting, he knew that this alone would not fulfill his creative desire. Instead, he began hand carving his own frames to surround his paintings, and he began to find that only was he more fulfilled in this type of artwork, but so were the people who came to admire and purchase his work. Consequently, he set out on a path of creativity in the arts, via sculpting mainly with wooden materials. He was a profound leader in his field, particularly in the studio furniture movement. He inspired many looks past the initial natural wood grain, and peer more deeply into how the wood come how the wood could speak to the artist or creator to advance this natural beauty into something more. So this is for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.